Hey guys, it is Kevin here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I review all kinds of products, so please do help me out with my channel growth and hit that subscribe button. Today I have another great product for you. I've reviewed a couple of these in the past. It is a pro gaming headset. The company is, I guess you pronounce it Butfulake or something like that. I don't know. It's a weird name. Butfulake. So you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll include a link down below if you want to check them out after you watch this video if you think it's a good fit for you. But this is the box they come in. The model that I am reviewing is the GH-1. And it basically, they work with your PlayStation, your Xbox 360, your Nintendo Switches, which is what I use these for. They also will work on your phone, your computers, etc. And let's kind of get in what all comes with this when you buy it. So besides the headphones, which I'll show you here in a minute, you get an instruction booklet if you have any questions on the product. You also get this splitter in case you have a left and right audio channel. You probably won't need this, but they include it in case you do. And then here are the headphones themselves. So one of the things that makes this headphones different compared to some of the other ones I have reviewed is they have a leather like cushion earpiece, which is great. It makes it's super soft, which is obviously important for longer gameplay comfort. Now the trade-off is some of the other headsets out there have a mesh earpiece, which to me those aren't as comfortable. They're still comfortable, but not as comfortable, but they breathe better. So that's kind of a trade-off. Now with this leather and with this particular set of headphones, they have a nice tight fit on your ears, which allows for a more immersive sound. They do sound awesome, and you don't really hear some ambient sounds around you when you have these on, which is nice. So it kind of blocks everything out. It's almost a lot of people say noise canceling, but they don't have a white noise or anything built in, so it's not quite that level. But on the side here is the microphone, which is not flexible, but I don't think you really need it to be flexible to show you kind of how it is. When you put it on here, it sits right here. It's close enough to your mouth that it picks up everything without a problem. And then it is movable, so you can move it out of your way if you're not wanting to use it. And then on the side is these little blue discs which light up, and I'll show you that here in a minute. They come in blue, red, or green, so you can kind of get whatever you like on your taste there. Which this is also popular with gaming mics, and to me is a must with the headset. There is a toggle on and off button for whether you want your mic to record. Like I said, this to me is a must if you're playing games and you don't want somebody to hear you or something, you quickly toggle it off. There's also a volume control button on here on the side. And one of the reasons I like this for my Switch is it has a super long cord compared to some of the other brands that I have reviewed. So this I can actually sit on my couch and play on the Nintendo Switch, because unlike the Xbox and the PlayStation, which you can plug into your controller, this has to be plugged into the docking station. So you plug this into the dock station. If you want the light, then you plug in the USB. It also obviously works on the computer. So if you play games on your computer, then you don't really have to worry about it. And then the cord, which is this kind of nylon fabric cord, comes with this Velcro strap to keep it all organized. So let me plug it in here so you guys can see what the light looks like, which is kind of just a cool little gaming feature. Just adds a nice little touch to it. So here you can see it glows a nice blue glow, and then the mic here has the same thing. So that's kind of it. This is the headphones, like I said, that I use on my Nintendo Switch, which I enjoy them. They are great. So if you think this is a product for you, like I said, I included a link below. Feel free to click on it, check out more information about the product on Amazon, or I have another couple videos floating around with some gaming headphones, so you can check those out too. Till the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it.
Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.